Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension. Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, heated steering wheel, remote start, keyless start, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.